Gamma ray bursts. The sky can kill you instantly. What's the most dangerous thing in the universe? It's not black holes, not supernovae. It's a flash of light you'll never see coming. Gamma ray bursts, or GRBs, are the most energetic explosions known to science. Caused by the collapse of massive stars or the collision of neutron stars, they release more energy in a few seconds than the sun will emit in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. And when they're aimed at you, there's no defense. In 2008, NASA's SWIFT satellite detected a GRB in galaxy 3C 321, nicknamed the Death Star galaxy. The beam was so precise, it hit a neighboring galaxy head-on. If Earth had been in its path, we'd be vaporized before we knew anything was wrong. Dr. Brian Thomas, physicist at Washburn University, has modeled how a GRB could affect Earth. If one struck from just a few thousand light-years away, it could strip the ozone layer in moments, flood the planet with ultraviolet radiation, and collapse the food chain. Civilization would vanish in days. No blast, no warning, just extinction. Statistically, it's unlikely one is pointed at us. But with billions of galaxies and countless stars dying every year, unlikely doesn't mean impossible. Some scientists even suspect a GRB might have caused the Ordovician extinction 440 million years ago. Here's the catch: we'd never see it coming. GRBs travel at light speed. By the time they hit, they've already happened. The universe doesn't ask permission. Takeaway: we worry about threats from below, volcanoes, pandemics, war. But sometimes the sky has other plans. Rogue planets, worlds that shouldn't exist. Imagine standing on a planet with no sunrise, no stars, no moon, just endless night forever. These are rogue planets, orphaned worlds that drift through the galaxy, unbound to any star. They don't orbit anything. They wander alone in complete darkness. Astronomers estimate there may be more rogue planets than stars in the Milky Way, possibly trillions of them. Some were ejected by gravitational chaos in their home systems. Others may have formed entirely in isolation. The terrifying part? You could pass within light years of one and never know. They don't emit light. They don't reflect much. They're just there. Some are gas giants, frozen and dead. Others may be rocky, Earth-like, but cloaked in eternal winter. No warmth from a star, just internal heat, slowly leaking away. But here's where it gets worse. A rogue planet could pass through our solar system, and it wouldn't have to collide with Earth to destroy us. Its gravity could pull us off orbit, shift Jupiter, slingshot comets from the Oort cloud into the inner system. Imagine an ice world the size of Neptune, drifting in silently, invisible, until it's already too late. In 2012, a planet named CFBDSIR 214903 was discovered just 100 light-years away, a rogue gas giant. That's practically next door on the cosmic scale. We think space is still, safe, silent. But the universe doesn't care about your peace. There are planets out there with no home, and they are moving. Takeaway: not all threats in the cosmos come with fire. Some arrive in silence and leave nothing behind. The great silence, Why haven't we heard anyone? There are over 200 billion galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars. Mathematically, intelligent life should be common. So why is it so quiet? This is known as the Fermi paradox, the contradiction between the high probability of alien civilizations and our complete lack of contact with them. We've been listening for decades. Radio telescopes, deep space scans, no signals, no patterns, nothing. There are theories. Maybe intelligent life is incredibly rare. Maybe civilizations always destroy themselves before reaching out. Maybe they don't want to be found. Some scientists believe we're in a cosmic zoo, watched but never touched. Others fear we're in a dark forest, where every civilization hides in silence, knowing that any noise could bring predators. Now, imagine this. What if someone did hear us? In 1974, we sent the Arecibo message, a powerful radio signal with information about humanity, out into deep space. That signal is still traveling through cold, black nothing. And if someone answers, we wouldn't receive the reply for tens of thousands of years. Or worse, we'd receive it sooner than we expect. The real horror isn't that we're alone, it's that we're not, and we're being ignored. Takeaway: sometimes the loudest message is silence, especially when the universe should be screaming. The magnetar that shook Earth. Imagine a star so powerful that a single hiccup can disrupt Earth's atmosphere 50,000 light-years away. Magnetars are neutron stars with magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's, among the most extreme objects known. In 2004, one named SGR 1806-20 released a gamma-ray flare so intense it ionized our planet's upper atmosphere, briefly affecting satellites and radio communications. If that burst had occurred just 10 light-years closer, it could have stripped away the ozone layer, exposing all life to deadly radiation. As astrophysicist Kevin Hurley warns, these silent cosmic ticking bombs remind us that space is never truly safe, invisible, deadly, unstoppable. The universe delivers terror quietly and with zero warning. Takeaway: even stars can be silent killers. Always expect the unexpected. Planet HD 189733b, raining glass at supersonic speeds. What if the planet you landed on didn't just kill you, it shredded you? HD 189733b, a distant exoplanet, is a world where winds roar at over 5,400 miles per hour, and rain is not water, but molten glass, blown sideways in a deadly storm. This hellish environment is a stark reminder: space isn't built for humans. It's indifferent and hostile. Every fantasy about alien worlds falls short compared to the brutal realities out there. Before you get too comfortable on Earth, remember, the cosmos is vast, violent, and full of surprises. If you've been captivated by this journey into real space terror, subscribe now. We're just scratching the surface. Next week, we dive into cosmic phenomena so bizarre they seem unreal, but they're not. The universe doesn't promise safety. It demands respect. Takeaway: fear isn't just a feeling. It's a survival tool. in an indifferent universe.